Namaste, Khush raho with you. Today's topic is mixing equipments. And in mixing equipments, specifically, we will discuss the mixing of solids. Means what type of equipments, what type of mixers we use for mixing the solids. And even if solid, you might be surprised that solids like what? If I'm talking about the solid, I'm talking about mainly dry powders and somehow doughs. So the one equipment, the first equipment which is popular is the ribbon blender. In this ribbon blender, let me go directly to the picture. Let's pick what happens. It has a trough, and in this trough there are screws which moves, and as the screw moves, they displace the dry solid, the powder, in opposite direction. And because of this movement, the two parts which we are mixing, they of dry powder, they get mixed together, and the operation kept on going. And this type of blender or this type of mixer, blending, as I told very clearly, this type of mixer is known as ribbon mixer, ribbon blender. And here the volume actually feed rate, let me talk about the feed rate. Feed rate is 10 ton per hour, and it usually operated in batch mode, and mixer volumes is up to about 15 15 meter cube it should be actually. And that's how this ribbon blender works. And in the same series there are tumbler or tumbling mixtures are there, and these tumbling mixtures are actually, they are and they are enclosed containers, and they have cone, and these cone rotates on a horizontal axis or in a vertical axis. And mostly they rotate on a horizontal axis, and they include a drum, and the cones are different in shape, like double cone, like V cone, Y cone, and cube. So you can see, we can see these pics here. The pics are here. These are tumbler mixers. These are cones which are rotating. This is the horizontal axis. They all rotate around the horizontal axis, and mixing action takes place. And like a horizontal cylinder is there, which is cylindrical. It is double cone is there. Then V cone is there. Y cone is there. So this is also used for mixing of the solid food solids, solid foods, or the dry powders. And maximum permissible speed, or the practical speed, is here of these cones and drums around the horizontal axis is 100 rpm. And they are used for free flowing solids like dry powders. And the one important thing in the moisture, if the in the powder moisture will be more, than what will happen, some type of clogging will take place, and mixing will not be the proper. Then comes the dough and paste mixer. What about the dough? How the dough will be mixed? So for dough and paste mixer, the most popular is the kneader. And this kneader, what it does actually, it has two contra-rotating arm of special shapes. And those arms, when they move, what the arms are doing, they are folding and shearing action is taking place, folding and shearing. And because of this folding and shearing, the material across a division, across a cusp. So what happens? The kneading takes place, and what the dough needs to be kneaded, and that is happening in this mixture. So that type of mixture is known as dough and paste mixer. And both the arms, these special arms, they rotate at differential speeds, and they rotate at a speed of 3:2 ratio per host. They rotate at a speed ratio of 3:2. So that's how the kneader works. So three type of mixtures I told in this one, like is ribbon blender, another is tumbling mixer or cone mixer, and another last one is the dough and paste mixers. So these are used for mixing of the dry solids, and that is the principle which I actually described on, and you should know the principle, on which principle actually they all work. So that was it about today's lecture. If you have any question, you can write that in my comment box, and I will answer accordingly. All right, and if there is any confusion or something, you can let me know. Thank you.